All right, so here we go, walking around Brum with my homie Paulie.
Yep.
Make sure you be watching his new music. We're gonna have some new events scheduled for him also. So we finna just do some questions on the streets. We're gonna start seeing like what do people want here in this Braamfontein area. Like if there are events going on during the day, would they show up to? Because see, like for y'all see this as Braamfontein. I see this as a downtown, just another CBD with opportunity.
It is. Straight up. Straight up. Ain't nothing really different about it.
Was I'm noticing the
Same thing. No. So basically, you look around, you're like, wow. CBD.
Yeah, exact same.
Like this is CBD.
No, we'll keep going. Skip. You gotta think about it. They drinking this early in the morning. That's club people.
That's true. All right.
Probably.
Another
Which
side?
one should we go back up?
We can
Where
go
it's
to
more
the
of
other
the
side. Yeah, we can go.
Yeah, 'cause I think that's more of the student crowd who we looking for.
Yeah.
And see, this will give us a real good market on where to put the plates, how to put it, who to collaborate with.
I like that. I like that. And that's really like what people need to be doing.
Yeah.
They need to be asking the real people who are on the ground. Because half of the time you just sit down in an office somewhere, strategize, and don't even have sex on the ground.
Yeah, 'cause like the lady who do my nails at Survey Man,
Yeah.
like she was telling me she went to the cannabis expo.
Wow.
And she was like, oh, yeah, I thought I was just going to go there to smoke weed and get really high. And I'm like, what?
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, she thought probably there's weed everywhere. And
Yeah.
stuff. Oh, okay. So you see, that's the mindset, and also with the advertising, that's the problem with the full advertising. Like nobody was really talking about it like that. So you would probably see like a picture here,
Yeah.
a flyer there, you know. But a flyer can just give you like certain information. If you don't know, sometimes you really don't know. You know.
Yeah, because like from us going there, I'm like, yo, this was a networking place.
100%. And you see how many people actually like will be ready for you, like in terms of just like helping you out, giving you like proper details. But people don't see that
Yeah.
because that's not what people are taught to do.
And remember I tell you, I'm like, yo, most of these people here don't smoke weed.
Yep. They don't. Oh man, Bram is so cool. I love Bram.
Hey, whoever you want to talk to and ask, just talk.
All right.
Yeah. I'm the cameraman.
All right. I'm gonna do that. So
Yeah, camera should be.
we're gonna approach different people.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna randomly just ask for their permission, tell them we're filming, and then
You know,
Yep.
just simple as going to be a yes or no.
Yep. So that's the beauty. Huh.
And worst case, use my accent.
Worst case scenario. Oh, but most people are really cool. I think up there, there's like there's a college there, but I think it's closed now.
Oh, really?
No, like as in
Just out
school
of.
is adjourned type of thing, not closed permanently. Permanently. So these are like college.
Oh, so these are college kids?
Yeah.
You know, this whole time I thought they was like in secondary school or something.
Yeah, that's.
Or is that what y'all call college?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Secondary. Yeah, that's the same thing.
Really?
So, yeah, it's the same.
Damn, I
term.
tell you, man, like trying to
It's the same term.
get used to all these damn terms and names of each place. But say, should we go up there by food lovers
Yeah,
or?
we can. Because I'm trying to find it. It's like a hunt. And you know what's so funny? Like when we're walking down, there was plenty of them.
Yeah, when the camera ain't on.
It's like everybody started disappearing. Like, wait, man, we out of here.
It's a trip, man.
But that's how it is, though. You know, when you start looking for something, that's where it becomes more like unavailable.
That's when you know you're doing the right thing, because
100%.
it ain't easy.
100%. And that's the beauty of it,
Because shit, even here, man, you could be doing shows right here.
right?
Yeah.
I think so too. I think so too. Yeah. So now this is college.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because these the weed smokers here, right?
Yeah. Stoners all the way.
Yeah. Well, I ain't gonna call them stoners. I can't call them stoners to American standard. If I bring Duncan here, he'd be like, "Oh, these the stoners?" He'd be disappointed, man.
Yeah, for real. For real. It's just down there. It's down there. So this is supposed to be like a garden area. Like a whole garden, but I think they're still working on the garden. Or probably they just plowed it. They want a fresh start. They're not performing. Small guys are not performing.
Yeah, they're not even performing today.
Could have been banging.
But you see, like
Okay.
think about it, like a time like this,
Uh-huh.
you got people eating outside because it's nice and warm.
Yep.
You just be sitting here in the shade and just hitting it.
Hmm.
Just hitting it.
This is what I'm thinking, you know, like, because none of that, we get a flyer type of thing. Of course, we will get, like, some type of flyers when it's time. But when it's not time, man, it's just not time.
I think we just need to come to the people.
Yep. That's what I think. Because some people really don't go to the places that we think they go to, you know, necessarily. And this is because this is just where the people are.
Yeah.
This is generally where the people are.
And see, the good thing about right here, like, you're not getting much music or noise.
Exactly.
Because not too much car traffic.
Yeah.
So if you set up, have enough a speaker or something going, it should hit about 2 blocks.
100%.
And remember, we were
100%.
we were down there 2 blocks,
Yep.
and people just standing around.
And that's what I like. That's what I like. Because look at all this traffic.
Yeah.
All this traffic. Cool. See potential.
Perfect.
See potential. Is camera rolling? Camera rolling?
Yep.
Okay, cool. That's somebody else. For what I was looking at.
Just it up if you want to. Would you go with your intuition?
Okay. I'll go.
Remember, I'm the cameraman. I just direct.
Yes, sir. Because you know what I... there. Right there.
Okay.
Right there. I like numbers. I like groups.
Yeah, I get different opinions.
Yes. Yes. I like groups. Sitting around You smoke weed on the Friday? All day?
All day from the morning. I wake up, I smoke weed, I come to work. Lunchtime, I smoke.
Oh, snap. Thank you. People are shy, camera shy. You saw that?
Yeah.
They're like, What is this?
So we're gonna do a test.
Want to do it?
I want to do one more with you,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna try.
All right. Let's go. This area looks interesting.
So what's this, a hotel or something?
I think so. White House? I don't know what it is.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is cool, right?
I wouldn't even known this was in Brown.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have not known about this.
Definitely.
This is cool.
Most definitely.
I like that.
You want to look around? Give it a shot? Let's go.
All right, cool.
I'm getting warmed up now.
Yeah.
I'm getting warmed up now.
But hey, they was willing to admit they smoke weed, so that was a plus.
They the camera. What are you ready for?
What you think? What you think? I'm gonna follow your instincts.
See, the perception that people normally have when cameras start rolling, it's like somebody.
It's like your mama ain't on YouTube.
Yeah.
Like this ain't got nothing to do with your mama. That's everyone. We're like, oh, my people might see me.
Yeah, that's the
like,
thing.
I'll just be like, nigga.
It's not that serious. It's really not that serious. And when people see that, they're like, oh, camera.
Because the thing that the misconception people have with YouTube, they think because of the stuff they watch,
Oh,
everybody
yeah.
watches, and it's like, dude, YouTube,
Has like different audiences.
yeah,
And probably your people never watch the stuff that you think they watch.
exactly.
Alright, we want to find like post it somehow, because I think around here it's post it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so other people are actually working, but like on lunch break and stuff, because it's like lunch. So that's the thing. But we'll find a music spot. It's kind of like how it is.
And remember, we can always go by the playground too, because people be posted up there too.
Yes. This is prompt. It's so, prompted. So it's amazing. It's amazing when things are like this, where there's no script. It's there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. This is what Newtown needs, man. It needs some chill spots where you can just sit out and just, yeah.
Oh, there's a new trade now.
What's that?
The people normally wear masks now.
Yeah, what's up with that?
I think it's just like a way of disguising yourself.
Because on
Like when people go to Braamfontein,
yeah,
they normally just go with
cause like now when I see people with masks, I'm like, first thing I'm like, oh man, that's a criminal.
yeah, now criminals are back to their mask now.
They feel comfortable. Hey, we all deserve to be free. Yeah, you good?
I'm gonna go and cook my friend for the. What's up? On the other.